How to fix you have created too many pages on Facebook step-by-step guide. Are you trying to create a new Facebook page but getting the error, you have created too many pages? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem step by step. First, let's understand why this error appears. Facebook limits the number of pages a single account can create in a short period. This is to prevent spam and misuse. If you've created multiple pages recently, you may need to wait before creating a new one. Next, check if you have any unused or duplicate pages. Go to the Pages section on Facebook and review the pages linked to your account. If you don't need some of them, consider deleting or merging them. If you believe this is a mistake, you can contact Facebook support. To do this, go to the Facebook Help Center, search for Page Creation Limits, and submit a request explaining your issue. Facebook may review your account and allow you to create more pages. Another workaround is using a different Facebook account that hasn't reached the page limit. If you manage a business, consider setting up a Business Manager account, which allows you to manage multiple pages more efficiently. If none of the above methods work, you might need to wait for a few days before trying again. Facebook usually lifts these restrictions after some time, so patience is key. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the "you have created too many pages" issue on Facebook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.